Hello and welcome to Sports Wrap, brought to you by Extra Time Online and Strike Ghana. My name is Kwadwo Ntiamoah, and today we'll be bringing you the news from all sporting competitions across the world. Earlier this week, there was some interesting developments in the Premier League, both in the relegation battle and the chase for the top four. Watford lost 4-0 to Manchester City and Aston Villa beat Arsenal 1-0, which means that as it stands, Aston Villa are above Watford and will not be relegated if results go their way this weekend. Moving on to the top four, and Manchester United drew 1-1 with West Ham, and Chelsea lost 5-3 to champions Liverpool, which means that both sides go into the weekend alongside Leicester looking for those two spots to the Champions League, but there are three teams, so only two can make it. So based on Sunday's results, Chelsea need just a draw to make it to the Champions League, whilst Manchester United and Leicester need at least a win to ensure their place in Champions League next season. Moving on to Serie A, and league leaders Juventus dropped points against Udinese, losing 2-1. This means their lead to Atalanta has been cut to 6 points, with Inter Milan just 7 points behind the Turin side. Atalanta were able to win their game this week, but Inter Milan failed to close the gap, which means Juventus have to wait that bit longer to lift the Serie A title. And sad news this weekend, as there is no Formula 1. The next Grand Prix is the British Grand Prix, which will take place on 2nd August. So over the weekend, there will be no racing excitement. Moving on to the NBA, and this week there were televised exhibition matches as the teams and players got to stretch their legs for a little bit. The NBA championship contenders Milwaukee Bucks, Miami Heat, Los Angeles Clippers all won their exhibition games this week, and their players were in top shape during that. But there was a shock result as the Los Angeles Lakers lost to the Dallas Mavericks, with Seth Curry shooting 6 out of 6 3-pointers to win the game for the Dark Horses. Within this week and the 30th of July, when NBA resumes, there will be a lot more exhibition matches as the players and teams look to get into top shape ahead of the rest of the season. My name is Kwadwo Ntiamoah, and this was Sports Wrap, brought to you by Extra Time Online and Strike Ghana. As always, you can purchase one of these Strike Ghana masks from any Strike retail outlet for just 10 cedis.